For not only is the Labour Party likely and highly favorites to win tomorrow because of the person of Andrew Holness, but because of the performance of Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness and his government has performed. That is why the attacks have been leveled out by the performance. Because personality alone don't win you the election. Personality alone and likability, that has its place. But if you're a failure in government, I tell people that you win an election after you win the election. Campaigning don't win you elections. It is governing. It is the way you govern that captures the heart of your people and endear you to them. Holness will win because of performance. The Labour Party put out a book with 250 achievements, and to date they have gone unchallenged.